My name's John Davis, and this video is how much money I've made on YouTube in 6 months with over 100 videos. So the reason I put this video together is to inspire others. So for anyone who hasn't already started a YouTube channel, this is why you should. For anyone who has started a YouTube channel and you've hit a wall and you're thinking, is this really worth it? And you've slowly started kind of walking away and not creating any regular content. This is to say, get back on the saddle, keep doing it, keep pushing away. And this is what you can achieve if you work your backside off and build up them subscribers and watch hours steadily. So yeah. This is not going to be one of them videos where I'm going to say the magic formula. I'm not going to tell you how my last video made me 20 grand. I'm not going to tell you how I got to 500,000 subscribers, because I haven't. It's an honest and realistic assessment of getting started with YouTube, especially if you're daft like me and you jump straight in for one of the hardest niches that you can possibly can, which is the make money online. So my main thing with YouTube is I talk about digital marketing, how to get started blogging, how to get started with YouTube, how to make money through both of them through affiliate marketing, promoting people's products. That's a lot of the things I cover. Turns out, so do a lot of other people. So do a lot of really, really big names and stuff. So you've first got to get your head out of that mindset of comparing yourself against these hugely successful people. That doesn't matter. I bring something unique that they don't have. So whether that's Neil Patel or Franklin Hatchett or these millions, I don't even know where to start. There's tons and tons. But the thing I bring that's different is I bring me. I'm what distinguishes my channel to theirs. Now, some might argue not in a good way. Some might argue that's good. That's the thing. YouTube is about being you. It's about being you, finding your people, finding an audience that resonates and likes and trusts you. Sometimes it's about not being the absolute expert. I mean, everyone clings on to every word that some of the top guys say, some of the top people, the experts. And it doesn't always work like that. I find it more inspiring. Like, I know quite a few people that are on a similar journey to myself that have started YouTube channels, and I can see now, at 6 months in, I've seen some of them go from absolute beginner to really successful, and then I see the next stage where you can really see where their channel is now starting to lift off, and they're getting all the rewards now, and it's brilliant to see. That is one of the reasons why I talk about the subjects that I talk about, because I know full well that I am no expert. I know that. I don't need telling that in the comments. I genuinely know. I've got some knowledge. I'm not an expert in anything, but I'm trying. I'm putting the work in. I'm learning as much as I can, and I'm dedicating myself to building my my own online business. So, but I know full well that there are plenty of people, and I know this because I've spoke to them, I've helped them, I've given them advice, I've tried to encourage them where I can. I know there's plenty and plenty of people that are a step behind me. And that's the thing. Sometimes you look at the people that are just slightly ahead of you, and they're the ones that will encourage you. They're the ones whose channels you follow, because you think, well, if that idiot that I can't even tell what he's saying, if him with the glasses that are 3 inches thick, if he can do it on YouTube, then I can do it. So I hope that I inspire someone with this video just by the fact that if I'm doing it, you can 100% do it. So I got started with this channel because I wanted to create my own online business. I'm a dad of 2 and a husband of 1, and basically I was looking for a way to create an additional income stream, a side hustle if you like. I tried various things. I was buying and selling various products on Amazon. I tried creating merch designs, so creating like t-shirt designs, that kind of thing. I've tried a few things, and I gave them a good effort. I did Amazon arbitrage for over 12 months, and I decided it wasn't scalable, and it wasn't really me. It wasn't what I wanted to do. It was more hands-on, a lot of boxing goods up and going around retail shops buying stuff, and it didn't really suit me. I'm an introvert. That's kind of my thing. That's why I've set up the YouTube channel. I've got a Facebook group as well where I'm trying to encourage other introverts to get started with digital marketing. So as an introvert, I like to write content. I like to create videos. I like to do things where I can just kind of do it in isolation on my own and think things through and be lost in my thoughts a little bit. That's my thing. So that's why I set up my YouTube channel. It was basically to create these different online platforms and then monetize them through affiliate marketing. In other words, recommending products. So if I said to you, I think you should go and buy, I don't know, what can you go and buy? Yeah, you can go and buy this Sylvanian family thing here. I think it's an elephant or a funny looking mouse. If you go and buy that, and here's the link to the shop that sells that, if you go and buy that, because it's great, the kids will love it, it's the best toy of 2019, it's basically every kid's dream, that toy. So if you go and buy that, and it will make your life so much better. If you buy it through my link, I'll get a commission for referring you. Now, obviously, I don't have a blog promoting that, but what I do have is I have a blog and a YouTube channel, and I promote various things that will earn me a commission. The key to that, only promote things that you will happily spend money on yourself. Only promote products that you believe in. Be ethical. Do the right thing by people. If you genuinely help people and genuinely tell them about really good products and how they can help them, then you won't go wrong. That's the one thing I would say for anyone wanting to get started with affiliate marketing. So moving on anyway. I said at the start, this is how much money I've made from YouTube in 6 months. And like I say, I've created over 100 videos, which I'm actually really impressed with. That's way more than I ever expected to. So at this point, there's a little bit of a caveat here, but at this point, I'm actually on 180 subscribers and 260 watch hours. In other words, people have watched my content for 260 hours. Therein lies the problem. You see, how much money have I made from YouTube in the last 6 months? Nothing. Nothing through display ads anyway. So display ads are basically when they run little adverts on your videos and you have to keep clicking skip ads. So whoever's running them adverts, they get money for them adverts to be shown on their channel. They're almost renting out or leasing out a little bit of space in their content. It's the same with blogs. You can lease out a little bit of space on your blog as well. So they're getting paid for that. Now YouTube makes you qualify for that now. I think it used to be a lot lower, but now you've got to have 1,000 subscribers. So I'm about 820 off that. So share this with your friends, please. I'm also on 260 watch hours. In order to qualify to monetize in your YouTube channel, you've got to have 4,000 watch hours. 4,000! That's ridiculous. That is a lot of watch time. So that is my goal for going into. I'm recording this in December 2019. So going into 2020, that is one of my biggest goals. I am going to get monetized on YouTube. But that does not mean you cannot make money through YouTube anyway. I've just told you about affiliate marketing. So even if you're just getting started, you can still make money on YouTube. So although I've made zero, I've actually done a bit better than that. I've had some really good commissions. I've had a $500 commission. I've had a few $100 commissions, 125. Sold a few little ebooks and making like, I don't know, say like $4 or $5 on them as well. So I'm by no means where I want to be, but equally I've got enough momentum that there's little trickles of sales coming in. And that's fine. That is actually better than I expected because it's all about building content. The reason I love YouTube, the reason I got started with YouTube is it's one of the few platforms that doesn't make you pay to play. So on Facebook, for example, a business page, you have to pretty much run ads to it in order to get any kind of organic reach. With YouTube, if you create a good video on YouTube, it will suggest that video to people. And if you just get the right video suggested to the audience of a big channel, then that can, I've seen it loads of times, that can literally see your channel could be like that, just steadily increasing it, and then it gets suggested on one of these big channels and just goes bang, right through the roof. And that's why YouTube's great. It's probably the best one, although it's quite long term and it takes a while to settle in and get started. It's probably one of the most rewarding channels in that it will promote your content organically for years afterwards as well. So it's excellent like that, and that's why one of my main focuses was to build a YouTube channel. So that's what I've been doing. So the fact that I can't monetize my channel, and I'm not even close really, am I? Not even remotely close. Do I find that disheartening, demoralizing? Do I feel like a failure? No, not at all. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with what I'm doing. Did I ever think that I would create YouTube videos? No. Did I ever think that I'd be making a little bit of additional income? No. Did I ever think that I would be building up my email list and my following? And I've now got a blog, a YouTube channel, Facebook group. I've got a couple of other little projects going on as well. So it's given me an opportunity to really kind of accelerate what I wanted to do. So I've always been a bit of a plodder. I overthink things. It would take me 10 times longer than anyone else to do something because I would always worry about the consequences of doing it. Are my friends going to laugh? Are people at work going to find these videos? Am I going to look silly? Are people going to like the sound of my voice, or my big nose or ears, or just the fact that my hairline's slowly vanishing towards the back of my head? It's only when you start creating content and creating the videos and that you realise it doesn't matter. Life's too short. Life is a one-time offer, so get started and make the most of it. It literally is. Like, I've had a few untimely reminders of this over the last year, and that's partly why I'm doing it. It started off as a way that I wanted to make money. It's gone beyond that now. I've improved my skills. I've improved my network of people. I speak to people in Australia, America, all around Europe. There's tons of different people now that I kind of speak with and help them with their business, and they help me with my business. It's brilliant. It's really given me a new lease of life. For someone that doesn't like groups of people and would rather kind of sit there quietly and then slowly back away from from these scary new people and stuff, it makes me laugh, like when I realise that I'm kind of chatting away to someone on the other side of the world, or they're creating content and they might mention me, or it kind of blows my mind a little bit. But YouTube has given me that opportunity. It's given me that platform. So that's one of my biggest takeaways, and something I would really encourage people to get involved. YouTube, blogs, whatever it is that you want to do, Facebook groups. Just get started. Find like-minded people, and you'll get that inspiration and momentum and people that you can trust. So if you don't know where to get started, come and jump in my group as well. Especially, I've got a group that's kind of aimed at introverts and digital marketing. So if you tick both of them boxes and you want to get started with blogs, YouTube, whatever, then come and jump in my group. You're more than welcome. Your people are out there on YouTube. There's so many people using that platform that the interest that you've got, the subjects that you want to talk about, the content that you want to produce. You might want to do how-to videos, informational videos, just funny videos, music videos, dance videos, cute cat videos if you really must. But whatever it is that you want to produce, there'll be people out there that are looking for that and will resonate with that and like that. So it's a bit like, when you're at school and you've got, you get certain like subsections of people, don't you? You get like people who are good at sports, people who are good at music, you get the geeks. You get these like cliched stereotypes of groups of people. YouTube is like that times a billion. It's like there's every imaginable like personality and interest and culture that are all on there, and they just want to. People use it more than TV now, so people want to look at what real people are doing and be inspired or entertained. So. And like I said before, anyone can do this, anyone can get started. Not everyone wants to look at the expert, the people at the top, on top of the mountain. People want to see the one that's a step ahead of them because they find that more inspiring. It's more realistic to them. So that's why I got started with YouTube. That's how the last 6 months have gone. What do I want from the next 6 months? Well, next 6 months and beyond really. So 2020, I want to monetize YouTube. Even if I don't make a penny when I monetize, even if I just want to hit that goal. I want 4,000 watch hours. I want 1,000 subscribers. If you can help me get there, if you can watch my videos in full, if you can maybe share my channel, then you'd be the most awesome person in the world for doing that. And I'm English, we don't say the word awesome, but you are awesome. So if you can help me, that'd be really, really appreciated. But I'm just looking to kind of improve my skills to keep putting content out there. I want to get a more regular schedule. I want to be putting 3 videos a week out at least, and that means getting organised. So if you want some tips for doing that I need to start following myself a little bit more as well, because I fell out the habit of creating content a little bit. But if you want some tips, I've got some videos in in my YouTube library if you want to go looking for them. This is where people who know what they're doing go, link above. So I'll tell you what, link above if you want to get started with YouTube and create your own channel. So I'll put something out there. But yeah, I want to get more consistent. I want to eventually start creating my own products as well. So that's my goal for the next 6 months, 6 to 12 months actually, I'm going to say. So, you know, my goal for 2020, I want to monetize this channel, and I want to start bringing in some little products of my own as well to experience what it's like to be a product creator. At the moment, I promote other people's products. So some of the products I promote are things like web hosting for people who want to get started with blogs. I promote a affiliate marketing course, which has pretty much changed my life, to be honest. I promote some products by ClickFunnels that I use for creating some of my landing pages, and some of the training that I've had as well was through ClickFunnels. So I promote various different products that are all extremely good at getting people started with affiliate marketing, digital marketing. They're all relevant. They're all things that will help you. So I'll put the links in the description. If you ever want to check any of them out or ask me any questions about them, just ping me a message. So that's one thing that I want to do. I promote other people's products. I would like to just have that experience of bringing in my own product. I don't know what, I don't know how. It could be like it could be a mini course on how to do YouTube badly, and I excel at it. So I'll be able to teach you everything that you shouldn't do. But I don't know. There's lots of things that I want to do, and this video, I'm not expecting anyone to even watch this video because it's a proper waffly, no real point one. But this is for my records. This is to show my journey. So at some point, I'm going to look back. I'm going to watch this video. I'm going to think, wow, why did he not get to the gym? Like, what was going on with him? It's like full on. I think it must be a 40-year-old thing, but I've got full on like moobs. But yeah, so I'll probably watch this and I'll think, yeah, so 6 months into his YouTube career, why was he not going to the gym? But yeah, it's basically to see my journey, see how I improve, and where I'll be in 6 months, where I'll be in a year, where I'll be in 5 years. But the one thing I would say is, if you're thinking of getting started with YouTube, I hope this has given you a bit of a realistic view of how YouTube works for many people. But you've got to be persistent and you've got to be consistent. You've got to create content, but you've actually got to get started. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, creating blogs, creating YouTube channels, making money through them, then hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. And I can't tell you, after over 100 videos, how hard it is to still say that. But there you go. So I'll see you next time. Cheers.